Oh, okay, okay,
I don't know what they doing, but it ain't no two people dancing on the same beat. I said dance!
Get your ass out the way!
All right, y'all asked for it. Here you go. Here you go. Man, I hope nobody called the fire department this week. God. Last time I brought about 50 beef burgers and about 20 vegan burgers, and they towed them vegan burgers up. So yeah, this is how we're doing it. Let's go.
Why he look like that?
Don't look at me like that,
Okay.
though. Hey.
Come on, what we doing?
Hey.
Okay.
Hey. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. 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 Hey. Come on. Okay. Yeah.
Hey. Hey.
That boy said he wants the big hill.
You want the hill? Okay, hold on. Let me pick you up. Don't run over my daddy now. Go on, girl. Take her on a trip on a big old rocket ship. Go, girl. Oh, you good, Reese?
On a little rocket ship, go through.
Remember the bike's your best friend.
The bike.
Yeah.
How you doing?
The brake. That's how you stop.
I've heard of that name, Steven Dog. Chill. Back up. Back up.
They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big go boom when I skate off. Ain't no contradicting this to the moon when I take off. Think I'll be my witness, right? Stand on that business shit. Mr. Lucky for real, for real. They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big go boom when I skate off.
Feeling like it's for real, for real.
For real? For real, for real. We don't really know, fam. You know what I mean? We just watching like everybody else, man. But